Oh, Goldine, Goldine, Goldine.
Oh, the fisherman's head, how are you? Welcome back, I guess. I haven't gone anywhere. I've been sitting here the whole time. I didn't change my Pokemon, no! That's why I was in the menu and then I went back out, no! Only Mew gets the experience. But he leveled up, so it's all good. That was all part of the plan. Oh, who's he about to use? Shelly the Shelter! Oh! Hello and welcome back anyway. I don't know what that was all about. We just went a bit crazy for a second, as per usual. And we are still on the SSN, fighting our way through all the shelters and horses that they can throw at us. But we keep fighting through them all, and nothing's gonna stop us. We're unstoppable. Bums might give it a good try, to be honest, because he's a bit of an ass. But yeah, there we go. We did it. The fisherman is dead. The fisherman is dead. Yeah, we killed him. We don't kill him. Yeah, save that game. 6 hours I've been playing this. 6 hours. Dear God. And we're only 2 badges in. Jesus. You're walking the plank if you lose. That's not nice. They're gonna actually kick me off the ship. These people are rude. Machop! Whoa! Whoa! That was unexpected. I was like thinking, oh, you're gonna throw out a tentacle, oh, how exciting. Machop! Karate chop! Oh, but eat that, Machop. How'd you like that? Not too much. Oh, it's not super effective. I guess he's fighting type. But whatever, we use it again. It done quite well last time. He might die. No, he's still alive. I don't like his karate chop. That's hurting. It hurts my feelings. It scars me emotionally and mentally. Go, Ivysaur. Oh yeah. There we go. We're getting there, we're clearing all these rooms out, leveling up, and it's a dead end. No. Is that literally it on this floor? We done it. We won the game, guys. Thanks for watching. See you never on next quest. Goodbye. Hello. I'm gonna go heal my Pokemon. So goodbye. I'm back on the SSN, yay! I deposited all of the TMs, because I don't know if I'm ever going to use them. They're probably all very good, and I'm just being an idiot, but I deposited them so we can pick up other items on here. And I healed all my Pokemon, yay! We hold parties with trainers. Oh, I want to go to a party. Right, we're not going to go up, we're going to go in here. I think that actually, those stairs take me to the deck. But let's go in here. I've never seen any Pokemon sleep like this one. Oh, he's seen a Snorlax. Do they do that often? They show you Pokemon? That's a bit strange, I guess. Oh, I want that Pokeball. Give it to me now. Give it to me, you fatty fisher. Fatty fisherman. Fisherman wants to fight free.
Oh, Goldine, Goldine, Goldine.
Oh, SSN is pretty much a breeze so far, I'm not gonna lie. I've not had much problem. Jinx effect. I don't... do a new animation for that. The Jinx effect. I don't know, I'm jinxing myself. Whatever. Do something. Making myself do extra work again. Love it. Goodbye, Gold. Oh, Goldie's still alive. Not the Tail Whip. That's deadly. So deadly. So, yeah. It's been... Oh, go on, Zubat. Is he actually going to level up? I want to know when he levels up. I need to find out so then I can, like... Because I'm going to put him out again, but he might already have leveled up and it's pointless. Because there's nothing after a gold bet. Crobat, isn't it? That's in the new ones. Only 151 Pokemon. Those were the days, right? Right, nostalgia, guys. Yeah. Oh, I done it again. I always do that. I always screw up the screen. I apologise. I would keep it widescreen, but I think it looks weird because it stretches the image. So that's why I've got it in the 4:3 or whatever this. I don't even know what ratio this is. I might be completely wrong. Who knows? So I think, yeah, the main thing we got to worry about in this place is bums. And obviously Ivysaur's going to have his work cut out against Charmeleon. We can handle it. We survived before, kind of. I mean, we've had, this playthrough's had no hitches whatsoever. None at all. None at all. That's where you cut to all the times I fell. Obviously. This is not very exciting, your crappy Goldings. Maybe I should turn the battle animation off. Go through quicker. Then it wouldn't be as exciting to look at. Wouldn't get look at that peck. That looked amazing. It took a team of 20 animators to animate that. 20. Believe me. We did it. One hit and he's dead. Good, good. Oh yeah. Bye bye, fisherman. What you gotta say? What are you gonna say? I'm all out. Well, sure. Sure you are. Look at that stomach. Nearly poked my eye out. I don't want to fight you, gentlemen. Competing against the young keeps me youthful. You look so old. Look how old he looks. Old and grumpy. It looks like I can't get the creepy clown image out of my face now. Out of my face? It's in my face. It's in my mind. Oh, it's a Pikachu. It's that Pokemon everyone talks about. It's a Pikachu. Oh my god. It's the fat Pikachu as well, not the newish one. It's got the weird coloured belly. It's got the cheeks. Oh, good old times, eh? Before they ruined it all. I like the new Pikachu. I like the old Pikachu. I see the problem here. But there we go. Pikachu is now dead. Level 23? Jesus. Oh, Zubat didn't evolve. That sucks. I feel young again. Oh, I'm getting all the money. What is it? Max Effer. That's cool. So what, does Effer just like raise some PP? And Max does it all? I guess these aren't going to fight. That's cool. Cut down small bushes. Well done, Captain Obvious. Jeez. I've seen some Pokemon ferry people across the water. Good for you. This is back in the day where we knew nothing about. Did they still talk like this? Like all the trainers in Pokemon? They tell you obvious things? A strong or a rare Pokemon? I like them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon! Not a Growlithe. Come on, Zubat. Level 18, is it? He levels up, I guess. Go with Mew, because everyone else is weak to Growlithe and his fiery ways. What? Mew is unaffected by your nonsense. Your crappy little roar. Look at his face. That's his roar. I'm unaffected, dude. You're not intimidating at all. You know what? I'm gonna punch you in the face for it. Killed him in 2 shots. I was gonna say 1, but... Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ponyta. I've always had I liked Ponyta just because my name's Tony and Tonyta and Ponyta or Ponyta, whatever. I don't know. I like him. It's a pony. That's my pony impression. Yeah. Beautiful. Next time on Animal Impressions with Loser Quest, we do a horse. That's pretty similar. We do a gorilla. Tune in then. I wonder if I'll ever make a gorilla sound. Just like not thinking about it. Do you reckon I will? And then I'll remember that it was to do with this. Probably not. Probably not. Kill him! Oh, how can I keep missing? What's going on? Is he like a really fast pony? Like on skates? He's dead now. Keep saying they're all dead, but they don't die. They just get knocked out. Yeah. I must salute you. But you have no hands to salute me with. It's like the bit in Futurama with a shovel. Ding. I never saw you at the party. That's because I'm too cool for your crappy parties.
Was there past the parcel? If there was, then damn it! I love past the parcel.
My favourite game. Should do that. Parcel quest. Play past the parcel. Right. Vine whip. Oh, clearing out these rooms sure is thirsty work. I'll take a nice sip of my refreshing Coca-Cola. Ah. Pikachu, I choose you! Oh, he's so cute, look at him! Oh. The sprite ain't amazing for him. He's got little diddy arms and the right foot is just like disappearing, but it looks okay, I guess. Go Ivysaur. Looks pretty good. Oh, not the quick attack. Oh, and he killed critical hit. Not another one! So quick! Fine whip him to... Yes, that's it. Stop with the quick attacks, I don't like it. I think you're done for now, I'm afraid. I am the champion. We are the champions of the world. Lass, what an ass. Take it easy. Never. Never. What we got? Rare candy. Yeah. If only I used the rare candy to get that rare candy. Then that joke, well, it wasn't really a joke, it was just a pointing out. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's probably in another episode as well. So you're going to be like, what's he going on about? It's like half the time. Have you gone to the Safari Zone? No! Don't you know this game? I can't get to the Safari Zone yet. Had many rare kinds of Pokemon. Cool for them. Me and my daddy think the Safari Zone is awesome. Awesomely rubbish. Hello. Captain looked really sick and pale. Oh, poor him. I hear many people get seasick. I don't get seasick, I get very, very travel sick though. So bad. I went to see Eminem a few months ago now at Wembley Stadium? Not arena, stadium. And I went with my cousins. I ate in the morning, but I don't think I ate after that because we was queuing up and then watching Eminem and blah blah blah. And then we missed our last train. We got on one of the subway trains though. A subway? Listen to me. Subway. Who calls it subway? Subway train? Got on the underground. London Underground. I'm not seasick, but I'm telling a story about it. Not about being seasick, but you know. So I was on the underground and it was packed. And it was going so slow. And there's so many people. And it was so hot. And I've never felt so ill in my life. Apparently I went green. I just... sweating, like, just dripping with sweat. It was horrible. Never felt like that, but... and when it finally pulled up to the station, despite the fact, like, I didn't mention that we were waiting at a station, they led us to one of the stations to get the tube on, and 3 went past on the other station picking people up. And 4 of them went on our station. Sorry, 4 of them went on our station, and didn't even pick us up. They all just went past. They weren't in service. It's a joke. So yeah, I was green, sweating all over, and dripping with sweat. It was horrible. And when we got to the station that we were meant to get off on, it stopped just before it was meant to. And the doors were jammed, so we couldn't get off. And I was just standing there. And I never wanted to not be in a place more than that. It was horrific. We finally got off and got a drink of water and whatnot, and we'd missed our last train, so we were stuck in London, but we got a lift, so it's all cool in the end. And I had work in the morning. Jeez. What a story. That's my story about being ill, when not actually being sick. Did you like it? I hope you did. Because that's my life stories in one. That's all the stories I have to share. I'll share more life stories next time. Probably the same one. See you later. Bye.